Hey everybody, it's me, Artist King, here again, back with another video. And guys, welcome back to my channel. So glad you could join me again. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about boundaries. But first, it's been a while since I've done one of these paintings. This is how I started doing art, by doing these drawings of faces and different hairstyles and things like that. So today I just thought I'd relax and do one again and then just spend some time talking about something. So today I want to talk to you guys about boundaries. Healthy boundaries. Sorry, not brownies, boundaries. You know, do you have that friend or that person in your life that always seems to come and dump on you with their problems? They go on and on and on and never really ask you if you have the time to listen to them, or or during that time they never even seem to care if you're having a bad day or not, but they just want you to hear what they have to say. Do you have that friend who just shows up at your house unannounced, not caring if you have company, not caring if you have things that you want to do, or maybe just not caring if you just don't want to be bothered? How many of us have people like that in our lives? People, who maybe have done things for us in the past, and we feel now like we owe them something. So whatever they do to us, we take it, we accept it, because we feel like, well, because of what they've done for me in the past, I'm supposed to do this for them. And lately, like I said before, as I grow older, I'm learning to talk less and listen more. I'm learning to observe. So now I find myself observing body language, just whole people's demeanor, and I'm learning a lot from doing these things. So I just want to say, for somebody, especially somebody who's stressed out and who has a lot going on in their personal lives, it is a good idea to learn how to set healthy boundaries with people, to let them know, okay, this is as far as you can go. I'm not gonna let you go that further. Whether you're close to the person, whether it's a family member or a friend or a co-worker or whatever it is, we have to learn to set healthy boundaries, because if we don't, you'll find yourself being taken advantage of, misused, abused, and then tossed aside at the end of it all. So you may have this person that tells off-color jokes that you really don't care for, but you've never really told them that, so they keep doing it, and if you notice, the jokes keep getting worse and worse. We have to learn how to say, hey, you're my buddy and all that, but I don't really care for the jokes. And it's okay to say that. It's okay to also learn to say no. Sometimes we just say stuff, like I said, because we think we owe somebody something. But I want to tell you guys that it is okay to say no. And sometimes you don't even have to give a reason. You don't owe anybody that, unless you feel like it's your spouse or something. But it's okay to say no and to go on and be okay after that. It's okay to say no and not feel guilty, not feel like, oh my God, I've let this person down. Because one of the things I'm learning now, we live in a world where it's almost like every man for themselves. And unless you learn how to speak up for yourself, unless you learn how to say no and stand by your word, you're gonna be stressed out, crazy, all kinds of stuff is gonna start happening in your body. It's just not gonna be a good place to be. So I just wanted to remind you guys that it's okay to say no. It's okay to set some healthy boundaries for yourself, so that you can have peace of mind, so that you can be, just had a peaceful place in your life, and not be so stressed out because you think you need to run and pick this up and do this and do that, and you're doing everything for everybody else, but who's taking care of you? Who's sitting down at night and saying, hey, you know, you're tired, let me get you dinner, or let me rub your feet, or something like that? I mean, if you have somebody that does things like that for you, then you're very blessed. If you have friends that don't take advantage of you, that are, you know, that know their limits with you, then you're a blessed person. But one of the things, the people who have relationships like that, in most instances, they know how to set boundaries. They know, they don't feel bad saying no. They are all right saying, well, I can't do that for you, but I can't do that. You know, and still be able to love that person or be friends with that person. So as you are watching this video today, I really enjoyed doing it. And I just thought, you know, it'd be nice to talk about boundaries a little bit, because we all need to do that in our lives. Okay? So anyway, I want to remind you to subscribe, to give the video a thumbs up if you like it, because as I've said before, this is how YouTube gets to see more of everyone's videos. If we look at a video and we like it, just hit the like button. It's not going to take long for you to do that, because it helps the person, the vlogger, to be able to have their videos seen by more people. Because I'm pretty sure that's why people post videos, because they want other people to see their videos. So, okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Give me some feedback on this painting. Because I'm you know, I try to teach people, I try to encourage people on this channel to start being creative. It doesn't necessarily have to be art. It could be, you could be good at building stuff. You could be good at doing pottery, you know, making ashtrays and all that kind of stuff. You could be good at that. You could be good at crocheting, or anything that allows you to create. I challenge you today to find that thing that you love. If it is portrait art, if it's, you know, pour painting like I've done in the last couple weeks, if it's abstract, if it's collage, whatever it is, I challenge and encourage you today to find that thing, because I'm telling you, it is such a great stress reliever. Find that thing that makes you happy and do it. Every day, find one thing that makes you happy and do it. And you will find your life will become more meaningful, more peaceful, and you'll be just contented with yourself. And you wouldn't waste time trying to impress people that don't care nothing about you. You know, that's something that we do. We spend all this time and effort, you know, trying to show other people stuff, and at the end of the day, half the time the people don't even like you. They don't care nothing about you, whether you okay or not. So learn how to you know, just get these little things. It's these little things that at the end of the day bring you peace and happiness. So just try that. And at the same time, you know, I want to thank you so much for watching. My new subscribers, you guys are coming in, and I am grateful to you guys for subscribing to my channel. Spread the word, leave a comment, share the video if that's what you want to do. And I will see you on my next video. Okay, Saturdays and Tuesdays is when you see brand new videos from me. Okay, so thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay, all right, bye now.